The vast expanse of the universe is a never-ending source of wonder and intrigue. As we gaze up at the stars, we can't help but wonder, are we alone in the universe? These are some of the most profound questions in science, and over the years, scientists have conducted numerous studies and experiments to try to answer them. Let's dive deeper into some of these studies and find out what they have to say. The search for biosignatures on other planets. One fascinating study in this field is the search for biosignatures on other planets, signs of life that can be detected from a distance. Imagine looking up at the night sky and being able to tell whether a planet has life on it by analyzing its atmosphere. Scientists are exploring ways to detect biosignatures on other planets, such as oxygen in the atmosphere, which could indicate the presence of photosynthetic life, or certain chemicals that are produced by living organisms. This is a promising area of research, and scientists are working hard to develop new technologies and methods to detect these signs of life. One promising biosignature that scientists have identified is methane. Methane is produced by living organisms on Earth and could potentially be produced by microbes on other planets. The Curiosity rover, which is currently exploring Mars, has detected small amounts of methane in the Martian atmosphere, although it's still unclear whether this methane is produced by living organisms or by non-biological processes. Another biosignature that scientists are investigating is oxygen, which is produced by photosynthetic organisms on Earth. If oxygen is detected in the atmosphere of another planet, it could be a strong indicator of the presence of life. Simulated planetary environments. Another area of research related to the search for another planet like Earth with humans is the study of simulated planetary environments. Researchers are conducting experiments to simulate the environments of other planets, such as Mars, to determine whether humans could live and thrive there. For example, scientists are studying the growth of plants in simulated Martian environments to determine whether agriculture could be possible on the Red Planet. This research is crucial if we ever hope to establish human colonies on other planets, and it's exciting to think about the possibilities that the future may hold. One example of a simulated planetary environment is the Mars Desert Research Station, which is run by the Mars Society. The station is located in the Utah desert and provides a simulated Mars environment for researchers to conduct experiments in. The station includes living quarters, laboratories, and a greenhouse for growing plants. Another example is the High Seas, Hawaii Space Exploration Analog and Simulation mission, which simulates a Mars mission on Earth. Participants live in a simulated Mars habitat for months at a time, conducting experiments and living as though they were on Mars. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI. Finally, we have the SETI program, which is dedicated to searching for signs of intelligent life in the universe. While the program has not yet found any conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence, it has led to a better understanding of the conditions necessary for life to exist on other planets. The program uses radio telescopes to search for signals from other civilizations, a truly awe-inspiring endeavor. One example of a SETI program is the Breakthrough Listen project, which is a multi-million-dollar initiative to search for signals from intelligent civilizations. The project uses some of the most sensitive radio telescopes in the world to listen for signals from other planets. As we continue to explore the universe and search for another planet like Earth with humans, it's important to remember that we are only at the beginning of this journey. The studies and experiments we've discussed today are just a small fraction of the research being conducted in this field, and there is much more to discover. Perhaps one day, we will find a planet with conditions that are even more favorable for life than Earth, or we may discover intelligent life beyond our own planet. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is just beginning.